Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by measuring and observing. Take photos from front, 45 degrees, and profile so you can compare. Once done, check posture and neck alignment because head tilt often causes facial imbalance. Also inspect occlusion and jaw midline, tiny shifts of 0.5 1 mm matter. Next, warm soft tissue with gentle massage, then do targeted neuromuscular exercises for 5–10 minutes. These first steps both highlight the cause and begin to retrain muscles, so you can track progress versus baseline. Now you move into specific retraining. Start by isolating weak muscles, orbicularis, masseter, risorius, and practice controlled contractions with mirror feedback. Hold for 3–5 seconds, rest, repeat. Once comfortable, add resistance via manual counterpressure or simple devices and follow a program 3 times weekly. This builds tone in a balanced way. Make sure to increase load gradually, around 10–20%, and document weekly photos so you see how each protocol alters symmetry and function over time. Finish by fine-tuning results and preventing relapse. You should combine home exercises with adjuncts when needed. Dental occlusion correction or botulinum for an overactive side can rebalance forces. Maintain nightly posture corrections and a daily program, and reassess monthly with photos and function tests. If progress stalls for more than 8 weeks, escalate to specialist review and consider imaging or EMG to find deeper causes. One troubleshooting tip: if asymmetry worsens, stop aggressive intervention and seek.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.